at the cargo terminal of Entebbe Airport on Sunday, waiting for Thelma to arrive as cargo. All I could think about was the time I escorted her in 2019 to the airport. We tried. Her father here put us always a timekeeper to make sure we reach at the airport in time. But Thelma, after checking in, she kept running back and running to the glass window and holding onto it and kissing me, kiss her back. Now it never occurred to me at that time that she was a goodbye kiss. I thought we were just separating for the school period and well. I never imagined that I would be saying goodbye to my daughter so soon.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.